How do you find the lost train?
I don't know.
Follow the track. Welcome back to another video on Gavin's Little Bit of Everything. Today we are back at Mitchell Park Domes to see the train show. Let's go take a look. Train show was running for every winter for 25 years.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Mitchell Park Domes, follow the link below. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. You can also follow me on Facebook and share with friends and family. Stay tuned for the next video when I try the new Coca-Cola Starlight Soda. Don't forget that we are having a giveaway, so go check out my video called Show Me Snakes. Follow the link over here. All you have to do to enter is subscribe and write subscribe in the comments below the video. Good luck and see you next time on Gavin's Little Bit of Everything.